Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you to one of the best resorts in Munnar, the Leaf Resort. This stunning property is located in the Chithirapuram hills, a charming hill town about 10 kilometers from the heart of Munnar. So this is the entrance. There's plenty of parking space and a beautifully maintained garden that gives guests a warm welcome. Since the hotel is built on a hillside, the terrain isn't flat, so you'll have to walk a bit uphill and downhill to get around. But don't worry, we offer a buggy service on call, which you can request anytime. It's super convenient. On arrival, the staff welcomed us with a tilak, a traditional Indian way of greeting guests. It really set a positive tone for our stay. The staff was very helpful and courteous. They also offered us a cup of herbal tea infused with aromatic spices. You should definitely try it. It was incredibly refreshing and instantly lifted my mood. I really loved it. Unlike other hotels, you don't need to go to the reception for check-in. They will come to you and help you complete the check-in process. The reception area is spacious. Even during your stay, you can come here and chat over tea. Right from here, you get a stunning view of the lush green hills. They also have souvenir postcards available. You can even write one and send it from here. This green tunnel leads you to the rooms. So let's go to the room. One thing I really love about hotels in Kerala is that they don't just give you a room. They give you a full experience. On the way to my room, the staff walked me through all the resort's facilities and activities. I'm so excited right now. You know, seeing pictures online is one thing, but being here with all this greenery, it just feels amazing. The walk to the room is beautiful too. Feels like a mini jungle trail. And here we are, we've reached our room. Let me quickly freshen up and then we'll go explore the place.
Gapamagasa ni samamagasa sani sani dani dani samaga magamanida dani samaga magamanida manidani sanida mamagasa. Anum tum tatanu
Now we are out exploring the resort, and here's the stunning infinity pool. You get a beautiful view of the green hills where you can relax. There's also a kids' pool attached. The water may feel cool at first, but once you're in, it's perfect. Since we missed the nature walk, we headed to the recreation room instead. There are plenty of indoor games here, a great way to spend some time. If you are with kids, they'll definitely love it. But if you can, try to be on time for the nature walk. Indoor games are open all day. It's 5:30, Chayakada time. They set up this adorable little tea stall right next to the garden, giving total roadside chai vibes, but in the most charming way. You'll find fantastic chai along with tasty banana pakoras and crunchy chakris. Just watch how he makes the tea. It's a whole experience by itself. I absolutely loved it. Perfect way to enjoy the valley view and unwind. The garden view is surreal. Clouds drift through the valley below. Just 15 minutes ago, everything was covered in mist, and now it's all clear. After chai, there's an interesting towel art show here. Later, they set up a campfire with live music. A perfect spot to relax and meet new people. We had opted for the package that includes both lunch and breakfast, and honestly, it was totally worth it. The buffet spread is impressive, with a wide variety of dishes in both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. Whether you are in the mood for something hearty or light, there's something for everyone. For those who are health conscious, there's a good selection of fresh salads and light bites. One of the highlights is the live counter, where they serve hot and fresh dosas, uttapams and pancakes, made to order just the way you like it. The restaurant itself has a great ambience. If you happen to arrive early, definitely try to get a seat on the upper deck. From there, you can enjoy a dinner with a stunning view of the mountains. It's a lovely experience, especially around sunset. The breakfast menu is well spread. There are many Indian as well as Western options available in the menu. Okay guys, while you're checking out breakfast, let me update you about the activities you can enjoy in Anchal area. Along with your stay, you can also visit the nearby tea gardens. The resort itself arranges the tour for you. Also, don't miss the Jeep Safari in Anchal. It's one of the best Jeep Safari experiences in all of Munnar. A complete off-road thrill with best view of waterfalls, mountains and tea plantations. There's also a zipline adventure nearby. You can either try it on its own or combine it with your Jeep Safari ride. In the evening, don't miss the Kathakali fusion show at the Raga Theatre. It's a stunning blend of traditional dance and modern storytelling. Trust me, It's something you remember long after the trip. Okay, thank you so much for watching my vlog. If you liked it, please subscribe, leave a comment and share it with your friends. Please let me know your feedback about my vlog. It will help me to improve. I'll soon be uploading vlogs of 7 more 5-star properties in Kerala. So stay tuned. See you soon.